Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a favicon on Wix. Let's get straight into it. Just so you know, this only works if you're on a Wix premium plan with a connected domain. First, go to your site's dashboard and click on Settings in the left sidebar. The Settings panel will open with a bunch of configuration options. Next, click on Website Settings. This is typically found in a section with other site and domain options. The Website Settings panel will open up with various options for your site. Now scroll down until you see the section called Favicon. It'll have an upload option right underneath the heading. Click Upload Image under the Favicon section. This opens up the Media Manager where you can either pick an existing image from your library or upload a new one from your computer. If you're uploading a new file, click Upload Images, select your file, then click Choose File. If you're using an existing image, just select it and click Choose File. You'll see a preview of what your favicon will look like on a browser tab. Once you've selected your image, click Save. This saves your favicon to your site settings, but it's not live yet. Finally, to make your favicon visible on the web, click Publish in the upper right corner. Your favicon will now appear on your website's browser tab. Now, a few things to keep in mind. Your favicon needs to be square-shaped and ideally a multiple of 48 pixels, like 48 by 48 or 96 by 96. The favicon will appear on your browser tab, in bookmarks, in your browser history, and eventually in search results. If you don't see your new favicon right away after publishing, try opening your site in incognito mode. Sometimes your browser cache holds on to the old one. As for search results, search engines will update their version the next time they crawl your site. If you want to speed that up, you can resubmit your sitemap through Google Search Console to trigger a fresh crawl. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.